to I can't really burp it up to make room. Uber's sweet. Ooh, it's finally coming up. That's good. Sorry. When the bubbles come, they come. Oh. Excuse me. I know it's sorry guys, just comes with the territory. Oh boy. Total brain freak. I called around. I wish I could burp right now too. Up here. I'm always definitely a lot ahead of my stomach. Hopefully that'll turn to gas so I can belch it up here. Feel pretty full. Cheap, refreshing. Oh. Excuse me. So, just as I expected, more belching. The gas has to go somewhere. It's not coming. It's not being released as I pour it, so it's obviously ending up, in your stomach. So, a half gallon or so. Oh man. Excuse me. Drink. Boy. Oh, good. The head's catching up. Trying to finish strong, but I got to burp. I can't burp. Matter of fact, when I burp, I'm tasting orange juice. Yeah. Every time I go to drink, I burp. All right. All right. Here we go. I literally can't stop belching. All right. There we go. Things are starting to settle down. And your drink. Go down. But anyway, do that with it. It's actually really hard to belch right now. Well, there we go. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I can't even burp. My stomach's so full. Oh. And then, excuse me. Ooh, that was rough. Oh man. Oh. I think it's going to be pathetic little burps. I know a lot of you guys like the big belches. Almost there. At least it's less head coming up, right? And we're getting there. Pretty flavor there. Lots of carbonation. And hopefully that improves. I think the first it's cold. I ran into carbonation issues right there. Apparently the oh, there we go. That'll help. All right, last one. No, it's his head coming up. Not enough room to belch. Ugh. Excuse me. That wasn't bad. Guys, be safe, have fun, chug some beers, don't catch the bug.